Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to cover the Blocky theme. It's one of the most powerful free themes on the market today, and pairing it with WooCommerce is a no-brainer. Today, we're going to go over the shop page and what's good and bad about it. So let's dive right in. The first thing we're going to want to do is make sure we have Blocky theme installed. And if you never installed a theme before, you just go over here to Appearances, Themes. As you see, I have it right here. If you don't have it already installed, just go to Add New. And you'll see here, but you can also search for it here by searching for Blocky. And then it will come up. The next thing you need to make sure you have installed is WooCommerce. Obviously, I've installed there. Same thing, go to your plugins, add new. All you need to do is search Woo. And if you see install, you'll hit install, then hit activate, and then you'll have WooCommerce installed. What makes Blocky so great is the amount of customizability it comes with the free version. So let's check it out. And again, if you're new to WooCommerce, how you get to the customizer is over here on your left, Appearances, Customize, and that will bring up our customizer. Now, if you're not new to WooCommerce, you'll see they did a whole bunch of work here to make this look very, very nice and modern. But in today's video, what we're going to go to is product archives. Now, we went to the product archives, but it did not change here. And if that happens to you, just click on shop. Because the shop page is technically an archive page. The one thing that makes Blocky so great is that it's a great base to build upon. I've installed my plugin here and it's sitting right where it's supposed to. And that's not true with all themes because they sometimes heavily edit this area here, making it so you can't have that. And you can also change the cards and no effect. It just stays exactly where it should be. Now the next controls, you can add columns. You can take them away, add rows, take them away too. Now you only have 4, 3, back to 4, and we'll go to 3. I personally like 3. Everything's big enough, stands out nicely, and just looks proper. Now you can change your card options. That's where all this stuff is. You can hide title, show title, hide pricing. If you don't want to show review stars, you can hide those as well. Add the short description, hide the button, as well as change how all this is aligned. You can align it to the left, center, right, like center. And you also can change column gaps, so the gaps between the columns and rows. As you can see, it makes you organize and show exactly what you want, all for free. It's amazing. Not only can you make it look exactly what you want, you can also change all the colors. So if you go to design, you can change the font, the size. You can either change it between devices, so tablet, phone. Like I said, they give you complete design, and they do it for title, short description, price, taxonomy, your add to cart, so you change background color, font color, on hover, everything. And you can put a border radius on the images. So if you want to increase the border radius, it'll round off these corners, just giving you full control of the shop page. Now if we go back, continuing on down, and we click these buttons, see they add spacing, take away spacing. Pretty awesome. Page element result count, how many items there are, sort products, that up here. Sidebar if you have one. Pagination down here. And product categories. Now this will let you tell you what you want on the page if you just want to show categories on the shop page or products and categories. I just have it show products. But if we do show categories, it'll just show your categories of your store. So that back. Again, they give you design controls. You can change the background color, and change it per device. You see, they give you a whole bunch of controls, all for free. If you're looking for a great theme, there's nothing better than Blocky. Now, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you next one. Bye.